my name is Yasmin Ellis and welcome to Londonist DMC's YouTube channel. As you may know, in this channel, we sometimes visit these amazing student dormitories around England, and today we're in Elephant and Castle in London at Dashwood Studios. This is a fantastic student accommodation and you should definitely keep watching this video to decide whether if this is the kind of place you want to live in if you are attending university in London as well. So let's take a look around, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel here, just to remind you if you want to see more of this content. Let's go. So this is the first ground floor of Dashwood Studios. I'm going to use my fob, very secure, to enter the common room. And here we are. If you look to my left-hand side over here, we've got the laundry, and it's pretty quiet, very high-tech. And as you can see, there is 3 dryers and 3 washing machines. And when I first entered here, I was like, is that enough? Because it's a huge building with loads of people. And apparently so, it is enough. It's very high-tech and they're very fast. Now we're continuing our tour. This is the common room / TV and game room. There's loads and loads of games. Here we've got foosball, table tennis, and we've got chess and some more board games and the back here. Now, if you've got some free time and you want to watch some television, there's Disney Channel, Netflix, and all sorts. You can hook up your laptop with an HDMI cable and watch your own thing as well. Now, I'm chilling in one of the study rooms. On every floor, there are 2 study rooms. These are quiet spaces where you can come, study, chill, and apparently loads of people meet here, do art projects. There's a massive table over there. So if you're studying art or fashion or anything like that, you can just lay out all your stuff, enjoying the view of London from where I'm sitting and chilling. Lovely. Okay, so we're going to go upstairs by using one of the lifts here. But before we do that, I just want to quickly tell you where we are. So as I've mentioned, we're in Elephant and Castle, and we've got the underground very, very close by, just by walking distance. And there are loads of big universities nearby as well. And you can actually walk into central London in about 20-25 minutes. Super fantastic location to be in. So we're going to use the lift to go upstairs, and there are 7 floors here. The 7th floor, the top floor, being the premium rooms, the nicer rooms with the bathtubs and everything. But now we're going to go to another floor where we're going to be looking at one of the more standard rooms. Now we're on the 6th floor of this building, and as you can see, it's lovely, it's carpeted, lovely walls, and it's quite secure in here as well. You've got 24-hour security. Do you guys remember Hayley from Londonist? Let's go meet her. Hi. Amazing. Let's have a look. Okay, wow, quite spacious. So this is more like a double bed. I would say this is a double bed. Really spacious. Let's do the test. Very comfy. And you've got your study area here. You can put your books and everything. We've got our Londonist merchandise as well. Bright and orange. Oh! Oh, it's a cupboard space. Even more space. Amazing. So we've got our small kitchen here if you want to cook indoors. Let's have a look here. Oh, the fridge is here, guys. Have a look. More storage. And yeah, this is wonderful. You could whip up some nice food here, wouldn't you? So Hayley, where do we put our clothes?
We're 3 big wardrobes. For me, as a girl, I really enjoy this idea. I can put all my winter clothes, summer clothes into my 3 huge wardrobes here.
It's quite spacious, I would say.
Yes, and I think there's an ironing board inside.
Ironing board, yeah, that's really good. And we've got the full-length mirror. If you want to check up on your makeup and your outfits, you're going to be cute for university. Let's talk about this balcony. Oh my god,
it's huge, right?
Yes.
And the view going outside is so nice.
I mean, we're gonna have a look at the rooftops in a minute as well. Those are fabulous. But before we do that, should we have a look at the bathroom? Oh, you've got your own bathroom for real. This is really, really important for me. I wouldn't be able to share a bathroom personally. Some people might be able to, but you've got your own private ensuite. Can you believe that I'm in central London in a student dormitory on my own balcony enjoying a drink? I mean, this is luxury and I absolutely love it. Imagine going through your finals, the exam stress. You just come here and relax in your own private balcony in central London. Mind-blowing. A bright and crisp winter's day in London. This is absolutely beautiful. So Hayley, one really easy thing about coming to student dormitory is bills, right? Let's talk a little bit about electricity bills and water bills and things like that.
Nothing you have to worry about the bills. If you book with Londonist, all the bills are all included. You don't have to worry about that at all. Focus on your study and enjoy your life.
So I've heard from the grapevine that sometimes they throw some amazing parties in these roof terraces. Get a nice cold drink, enjoy the sunshine. It's winter. It's like 0 degrees right now, but I'm sitting outdoors and enjoying the sunshine. Guys, come to England to study. I absolutely love it. Hayley, this is a lovely common room. Let's talk a little bit about it.
Yes, we got ping pong here, and we'll have the huge TV there, and then just a large sofa area. So many sofa, you can have a party here, I guess.
Amazing. And there's foosball there,
Yes.
chess, loads of board games, and these TVs are connected to Netflix, by the way. Amazing. There's a bicycle rack there, and nice little courtyard in the ground floor. Apparently you guys do loads of parties here as well.
Yeah, exactly.
So let's talk about the location we're in. I mean, we're in Elephant and Castle. This is fantastic. What's around here?
And here's quite in central London. It's just a little bit south of the Thames River, and very close to KCL and LCC. And I know that many of your school is located in south of the river. So most of the student accommodation are in the north. So this one's in the south, which is nice for those students who study in the school located in South London. This is a good location to get around, like a University of South Bank, Camberwell Art School. They're all in the south part of the London.
Which universities are walking distance and how far?
LCC, I would believe this is only within 10 minutes walk. And also KCL, some part of the campus is in South London. There's only 15-minute walk to KCL. So nice area. And also the tube station is right there. So you can just walk there in 5 minutes and you get to all the places in central London.
And let's talk a little bit about international students, right? How does Londonist help international students get situated in England?
As you can see, I'm from a very international background to the UK. So we host many international students, and we also provide different language service. I speak Mandarin, and some sales agents and our team members speak Turkish, Hindi, Hindu, all different kinds of languages.
So let's, for example, say you're from China and this is going to be your first time living abroad, away from family. They could easily email you, call you, and speak to you in Chinese, I guess.
Yes, exactly. Contact me on WeChat.
Amazing. So I was having a chat with the house manager earlier. Unfortunately, she didn't want to be on camera, but she did tell me that there is 24-hour security, and during the day that they have representatives and staff members here that can help you with anything. And you can basically come downstairs to the reception or give them a call and they will help you out.
Yeah, anytime, just go down to the reception. They'll help you right away.
And these fobs, they're fantastic as well. So every time you want to enter the building, you have these fobs. Like even when we were coming into the common room, we entered with a fob. You want to go outside in the courtroom, you enter with a fob. And for your rooms, however, we have the private fobs. So no one else can access your room.
Very safe. So if you want more details, please contact us. We will show you more details about all the rooms.
And how do they get in contact with you, Hayley?
You can contact our website, www.londonist.co.uk. This is a website. We have live chat 24 hours So contact us anytime.
Live chat. Amazing.
Yeah, live chat.
Always great to see you, Hayley. Thank you so much.
Very nice to see you, Yasmin. Hope to see you again soon.
So that was our tour of Dashwood Studios in Elephant and Castle in London. What did you guys think about this university accommodation? Would you live here if you were coming to university in London as well? Let me know down in the comment section below. And you know what? Please give this video a big thumbs up because it makes us really, really happy. Subscribe to our YouTube channel here at Londonist DMC. And I'm Yasmin. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.